Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today, we will be making a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. If you've been here for a while, then you know that I have a peanut allergy, so I just substitute some soy nut butter for the peanut butter, but you do what works for you. They're easy, they're delicious. It's essentially a chocolate chip cookie with some peanut butter. And they're amazing. So, without further ado, let's get started.